Hello guys, my name is Paridhi Gupta. I have cleared Microsoft Certified Power Platform Fundamentals exam PL-900 and today I will be answering some of the questions related to this examination.
How did you prepare for the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam?
I have studied through Microsoft Docs which are available on the official website of Microsoft. From there you will have a basic and a good understanding about the concepts which will be covered for this examination. Now, Microsoft also has many trainings going on which are free of cost. So you guys can register for the training named as Microsoft Power Platform Virtual Training Day. In that training, the trainers from Microsoft only teaches about the concepts which will be there in the exam, both conceptually as well as practically. So you will be able to understand everything very nicely. They explain all the concepts such as how to make reports in Power BI dashboard. Now they explain how to make Canvas apps, model driven apps in Power Apps. So like this they explain everything very nicely.
How difficult is the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam?
So, according to me, Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam is easy. You just need to clear your basics about the Power Platform. There will be 50 to 60% direct questions and 40 to 50% will be conceptual questions. You can focus on the main topics, that is Power Automate, then Power BI. These will have a little of confusing questions, but again, if your concepts are clear, then you can clear the exam very easily.
Is the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam worth it?
Guys, Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam is totally worth it as you will have a basic understanding about the fundamentals of Power Platform which are going to help you in your career development.
What are the career opportunities available after passing the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam?
So, there are many career opportunities which will be available after this PL-900 examination. As this examination covers Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI and Power Virtual Agents. So, you can decide in which you have interest or you can do all four. That depends totally upon your interest. You can become Power Apps developer, you can become Power BI developer, you can become Power BI associate. So, there are many opportunities which will be available and all these fields have very good packages in industry nowadays.
Advice would you like to give freshers who are preparing for the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam?
So, the advice which I would like to give to the people who are preparing for this exam is that have a good conceptual knowledge about the topics, deep dive into the topics so that whatever questions come, whatever topic is there, you will be able to solve the question and you will pass the exam in one go. This is the only advice which I give to people. So all the best for your exam. I hope you all comes up with the flying colors.